Today we're gonna be making my version of Bang Bang shrimp. I'm super hyped because I found these shrimp at the supermarket for only $4. And also, my girlfriend has never been able to have this dish before. After washing and patting dry, I'm just seasoning with salt, pepper, and 5-spice. Then I'm getting some gluten-free cornstarch, an egg, which I am failing to crack with one hand, and also some gluten-free breadcrumbs. I'm then coating each shrimp in a layer of cornstarch, egg, and breadcrumbs. I'm doing this repeatedly for each shrimp. My girlfriend kindly hops in here and cracks another egg for me while my hands are dirty, and then the process continues. I'm being a little naughty and I'm deciding just to fry up 3 of the shrimp, but because I don't have that much oil and also for health reasons, I'm air frying them at 325 degrees for 20 minutes. The sauce is super simple. Mayo, chili crisp, a little bit of hot sauce, mirin, and a hint of honey. If you like spice, add chili flakes. Ugh, these shrimp are so good fried, but they're also just as good air fried. Dunk your shrimp in that lovely sauce and serve over a bed of rice, adding a chili oil egg along with some kimchi. Ugh, this looks so good.
Here you go, Booger.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Oh, here's my favorite part, the egg. Yes.
So good. That's so good. Thank you.